Tired of overpaying online? I'm about to show you how to become a Temu coupon master and snag incredible deals. First, open the Temu app or head to Temu.com and start browsing. The best deals are often right on the home page, so keep an eye out for those bright, flashing sale banners. Once you found something you love, tap Add to Cart. Go ahead and add everything you want now, because stacking those coupons is where the real magic happens. Now, tap the shopping cart icon at the bottom of the screen. This will take you to your cart summary, where you'll see a breakdown of your items. Look for the Apply Coupon section. It's usually right underneath your order total. Tap that Apply Coupon section to reveal any available coupons linked to your account. These are automatically added by Temu and ready to be used. Select the coupon you want to use by simply tapping on it. The discount will be instantly applied to your order total, and you'll see the reduced price reflected immediately. Sometimes you might have a specific coupon code. In that case, type the code carefully into the designated entry field and then tap Apply. Review your order total to ensure the coupon was successfully applied. You should see the discount amount clearly listed. Finally, proceed to checkout with your amazing savings. And that's it. You've successfully applied a coupon on Temu. Happy shopping and enjoy your incredible savings. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more money saving tips.